In today's video, let's quickly talk about the way that you fix the PayPal login session expired. Now this thing usually can happen, and the way that you solve it is by clearing out the app cache. So if you're currently using the app version of PayPal, you can just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and then you'll see the option called clear data. You can just tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now log in back and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is use a different device, or you can also try using the incognito mode. So if you're currently using a mobile phone, you can open up a web browser, use the incognito mode or a private mode to ensure that you can log in or not. If you're still having issues, make sure that you disable any VPNs if you are currently connected to one. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal login session expired. I do hope this kind of video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.